Thanks, Christy. We're joined now by Storm Team Chief Meteorologist Jim Teske. Jim, not too bad out there right now, but I guess from the weather perspective, the big story this weekend is going to be the winds, and probably more second half of the weekend?
Yeah, Sunday, and especially Sunday night into Monday. So, you know,
how strong?
We're talking about 60-mile-per-hour winds. So if you got stuff outside that could blow around, tomorrow's your day to take care of that.
Probably thinking power outages, possibly?
Maybe have some batteries handy just in case. You should normally do that any time, but tomorrow, you know, it might be a good idea to pick those up if you're at the store. Let's show you what's going on now. It is quiet, as Jeff mentioned. The start of the weekend, you can see there on our camera from the zoo looking toward the city. Cloudy skies and dry. And it looks like our best weather is going to be Saturday morning as sunshine starts our weekend, giving way to increasing clouds in the afternoon. It looks like it stays dry during the day tomorrow, but rain will be moving in as early as 7 or 8 on Saturday. So as you're headed out of the dome tomorrow evening from the SU Duke game, you could get wet. It could be heavy at times into Sunday morning and then go over to a little bit of snow. Again, winds, that's really the big story, gusting at times to 60 miles per hour or greater. In particular, Sunday afternoon into Monday. It's going to be breezy starting tomorrow night, but it's Sunday afternoon into Monday that the strongest winds occur. There are already warnings up for the counties along the Lake Ontario shoreline, so the confidence is highest there. In fact, as you get close to the shoreline, there could be, especially up toward Jefferson County, some wind gusts to 70 miles per hour. Elsewhere, high wind watches, they might be upgraded to an advisory or warning later tonight or tomorrow. We'll talk more about the weekend forecast and the wind coming up in just a bit. Jeff?
Thank you, Jim. For the latest forecast wherever you go, download the Live Doppler 9 app for the most accurate updates. All you have to do, search WSYR in the App Store or Google Play.